In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update AliExpress app. By updating AliExpress shopping app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app and also fix any issues that might be related to this shopping app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you have this AliExpress shopping app, you can either update it on iPhone or Android smartphone. So I'll go to my Google Play Store app here and then search for the app. You can search up here if we have the search bar, but as you can see, I don't have the search bar. I'll activate it by just tapping on search icon here and then tap on it again and search the app by name. So I'll just type AliExpress and you can see it is here. So if I tap on it, you can see we have an update for this app, which means I've been using an outdated version of AliExpress shopping app. To get the latest version, tap on update, and this will download the latest version of AliExpress shopping app and install it on your smartphone. Now you can proceed and start using the latest version of AliExpress shopping app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.